Ref.
Oh my god.
There it
Dude,
is.
why did you not square that? Square it to Jones, dude. Oh my lord.
There is no passion!
Dude, you gotta put it to one side.
Dude!
Dude.
Oh my gosh.
It's because I'll tell you what happened there.
Jones, did you change your pro? What is that? Yeah, dude, I'm a total babe now.
Does he have a new name?
No, he's still Big Jones. 3 weeks.
Oh,
Damn.
Well, there's your answer.
Frozen fish.
Oh, okay. It should
Is
have
that
been fine.
Anopheemster, dude? That is. That's Anopheme.
Damn. Well.
Dude, what the fuck?
What? I mean, how did this happen? You guys keep losing the ball up there, man. That's
Well, it
rough.
feels like every time they shoot, they score.
It's Jones's fault. That's what it is.
Wow.
It's his pro. Winning off.
First.
I don't know.
Shoot. Oh, dude.
my god! This game
Oh
broken.
my
This game is
God.
broken.
That was you.
It's your bedtime, man. Let's play
Let go of the
GeoGuessr.
button.
This is the fall of society.
Ooh,
man.
GeoGuessr.
He was nervous. Have it.
Nope.
Have it.
Oh, Alex,
Dude.
Can't even score in FIFA anymore.
Dude, hold the
It's
button down
you.
less. Hold the button down less, man.
Oh,
I
that is too
tapped
good.
the button.
Team coming?
Shut up.
Okay, sorry.
Fucking
New keeper.
spin on that punch.
That's out.
Wow, these kids
Yeah,
are
we
strong
do.
now.
We've been.
Who is that?
Is that Anophemster, dude? That is. That's Anopheme.
Dude, Jones.
He's hot.
Oh no!
We said it.
No, don't say.
don't say
I'm gonna
it,
splice
don't
that. I'm
say
gonna
it.
splice that in the video.
No. Wait, where is the foul? Go ahead, play him. Oh my god.
Oh,
Go ahead,
Oh.
play him.
He did. Oh
I invited him in.
Holy shit.
First save of the night.
no. Out of
Straight out
bounds.
of bounds. Dude, I was going over there to get it. I wasn't over there.
No, you were
originally.
already out of bounds, man.
No. You can't
Yes,
prove it.
you were.
I saw it too.
Jones.
Oh my god!
Get me out of here.
Worthless, dude.
Hey, you're welcome, Alex. I took all the heat this game. It's perfect.
Probably because they've had so much practice. Oh, Jones. Oh, Jones, why'd you stop your run, dude?
It's gonna be offsides.
Oh, what a-
Oh,
Oh no!
Oh no, that was for
Oh,
John.
through
man.
that. Through that.
Double throw. The ratings only go up though. Yeah, good shot. Good pass. I did say that.
Put it.
Good lord, man.
Jones dribbles past the guy. He's got so much space, and that's when he crosses it in.
If not, then when?
Expect the unexpected.
Yes.
Nice.
Dude!
Play him through. Literally played him through.
Jones, man, what goes through your fucking head? Nothing. What I'm saying, man, no one can keep the ball
You're
up
killing
there.
it though, dude.
2-0.
Dude.
Yeah, last time it was like 4-0.
It's not funny anymore, man. How does he know where I'm going?
Take 10 years to
Bro.
decide,
On.
man. You got it.
Oh,
Take your shot.
you're off.
Muchas gracias, afición. Esto para vosotros.
Oh my god. Hit the ball. We're not fucking around. Don't celebrate.
Come on, man. I have to celebrate. You see that goal, man? Come on. If I score that in real life, we could be down by 8. I'm celebrating.
Yeah. Weird buzz when you try and switch it because it's been really low.
Yeah, do you do a driven?
Yeah, I pressed RBA.
Oh, that's what it
Yes.
is.
Yeah, they're too low. They keep getting
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go,
Yes!
let's go, let's go, let's go,
RBLB,
let's
RBLB,
go,
let's
let's
go.
Alright, I'll wait for the spread after the game, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
No way.
I did not touch him.
Intercepted here, intercepted here.
I didn't touch him.
When that. Oh, fuck.
Oh,
It's not your fault. Oh, come on. I beg, dude. I beg. How many tackles do we have to win to win the fucking ball, man?
Ugh.
It's fine.
Oh.
We win the ball here.
It's fine,
Go
it's
for it.
fine. I have it. Oh my god, I don't have it.
Go
I have it.
No,
I
stop,
don't have
stop,
it.
stop. We have a minute to play. Don't force it there.
That's ours.
Let's go!
It's
It's
gotta
play
be
up
now.
now.
Gotta be now.
Up. No.
Oh,
we're on
fuck,
the
God,
attack.
dude.
Good effort.
I hope we
try,
made their
keep going.
night worse with the draw, at least.
Back it. Never mind, don't hit it.
Oh, well.
my God.
Well, yeah.
Drop.
I did it! I did it! I
Oh
literally
my
did
God.
it! I did it! You can't blame me!
And then you fucked me, and then you fucked.
No! No, I threw it immediately
walk
to you.
back and
I
bow.
literally threw it immediately to you.
Yeah, and then you sprinted at me.
What are you talking about?
Beam, you were
just-
sprinting at him.
You did it on purpose. You did it on purpose.
Oh, never mind. Oh.
Dude!
Jones, I don't understand.
I'm just
I'll be
a
honest.
little-
anything
Probably
about
your,
you.
Your worst session.
That is saying something.
What a stave!
Uh,
Yeah, at least
You've certainly been a net negative
Oh,
on the field, but a net positive in morale.
in Discord.
Morale, man.
Left, punt left. Look at all this. Yeah.
If you don't score this.
Shut up! Don't say that. Don't say that. I'm focused, and you say that, and I lose my focus. Oh, I die. Wow, I totally misread that.
Oh
You're
my
right, fucking
lord.
It would be one thing if you were like actually attempting passes that made any sense and losing it, but it just I don't even know what you're attempting.
I'm just doing my darndest.
Oh, let's get something in here.
Did you know that we're gonna run out of QR codes in 2025?
No way, dude. There's no fucking way.
Actually,
Yeah,
There's no
limited
way,
number.
dude.
there's no
That's
way. There is
estimated to
There's
run out in
absolutely
2025.
a way.
They'll just make it bigger.
No, you can't
That's
do that.
one solution.
Well,
I
then
mean,
it's
Make
not
it
a-
like higher resolution.
Then it's not a QR code anymore.
why not?
Then it's like something different because QR code has to be that size.
They'll just
You
have
just
like
see some of the other
they'll,
covers
they'll
here.
call it
Holy
QR2
cats.
codes.
Yeah, they're like XR. Ooh, XR. You think there's ever been a time where no rainfall
Yes.
at
No.
all?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Dude, time ever?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
What?
In the history of humanity.
Yeah, there's always been rain somewhere. It's been
No.
wet somewhere, yeah.
What
No.
about
No.
like big drought?
Disagree.
It's been dry for at least a few seconds. No rain was falling from the sky.
In the whole world.
Yep.
No, no chance.
Sometime in the history of humanity.
Yeah, absolutely no chance.
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm saying no. It's always been
Yeah,
Raining.
exactly. It's
Interesting.
it's always been raining at some point in the history of
There's
humanity.
some places that rain like 90% of the time.
Dang, that doesn't sound like 100.
Yeah, but like the odds.
Mm-hmm.
10%.
There's been a lot of.
John, you don't
time.
actually believe this?
Yeah,
right?
there's been a lot of time.
John, you're joking, right? You don't actually believe this?
No, I do. I fully believe that. In
Yeah,
fact,
this is-
I think you're
this is-
stupid for thinking the opposite.
This is worse than like the monkey thing, honestly.
Fuck
Yeah,
you.
Joe or Beam, I asked.
Now I don't know. Now I really don't know.
Thanks.
No, Phoebe, don't indulge him. He's being an idiot.
You just don't want to admit you could be wrong.
Switch
I'm
it,
definitely
switch
not wrong.
Your mother.
Yoink. Oh, come on,
Oh.
man. What do I need
Wow.
to do different there?
Put it in the back
Alright.
of the net.
It. One more guess, Beam.
All right, Alex, another question for you.
Oh boy.
Do you think there's ever been a moment, just the
humanity.
briefest moment,
In
could be a few
humanity,
seconds,
you have to-
in the history of humanity, where it has not been raining
Anywhere on the planet.
anywhere?
the fuck is this guy?
In humanity's history, not the planet's. Yeah.
Right, right.
Hmm. No.
Thank you.
It's always
Brain
been raining
cells.
somewhere.
Thank you.
It's
brain
been raining
cells.
somewhere every time.
God.
What?
What about
What-
like the Dust Bowl?
Well, that's. Yep. Everywhere in the world.
I'm gonna Google this, man. I'm sure there was a period where it didn't rain very
I
much.
can't believe you actually believe this.
I'm fully
How in the
convinced,
world will
actually.
the plants grow?
That's a great ball.
Everything will
No,
die.
I'm not saying it was a permanent drought. I'm saying there was probably an overlap sometime of
For like
no rain.
like at least a
The
millisecond.
whole world.
For probably about 5 minutes, actually.
No!
Even
Jones.
one sprinkle. One
No, now you
sprinkle
lost me.
eliminates it.
I think
One
maybe
sprinkle.
a second at most.
No. The entire world. It's raining somewhere.
Dude,
That's an
what?
absolute guarantee.
Big switch.
Okay. I may have been wrong.
About the rain.
Let's not dive too deep into it. Let's just leave it at that, alright?
No,
Topic.
please.
No!
Because now I'm curious.
I like that he
alright.
went to do his own research, clearly looking for an answer. I may have been wrong.
You can't just bring
Moving
up
on.
the
I bet there's a
wrong
place
answer.
that rains 100% of the time.
It would be flooded.
Just read me like a sentence out of what you found, Jones. Just any old sentence.
Alright, give me a second. The intertropical convergence zone is an unavoidable consequence of a wet, spinning planet and produces constant thunderstorms. Also, due to the uneven solar heating on Earth causing tropical regions being much warmer than polar regions, there will always be a polar front creating blah 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 that always produces some amount of rain.
Just dribble. Yeah.
No!
Dude, what's that? I didn't even do a big touch.
That's a lie. You have to lie to us like that.
I didn't.
Hey, I would have done the same thing, man. You literally don't have to lie to me.
Okay, I did a big touch.
Oh,
no way!
Oh my god.
That's what I get for telling the truth.
Oh, by the way, that comment about the rain is on Reddit from 9 years ago. I'm gonna reply to this guy and tell him he's wrong.
Oh, it's been 9 years. There's plenty of time. For
Yeah,
the rain
maybe
to
it happened in the
stop.
last 9 years.
Think how many seconds there are in 9 years. You're telling me that it was raining the entire time?
These guys look
I don't think I want to
scary.
play this team. Are we quitting?
No, we can do it.
We can play Fall Guys.
I'd love to play Fall Guys right now, honestly.
It's on Game
Dude,
Pass.
do you want to play Fall
Or it's-
Guys?
I don't have it
It's free.
downloaded.
I
It's
don't
only 2
either.
gigs.
I'd really just want to play GeoGuessr.
I would love to play GeoGuessr. I'm quitting.
Boom.
Yeah, whatever.
Alright, GeoGuessr. While we download Fall Guys.
Sure.
Okay.